Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So, I want to take the time right now to answer a few of you guys' questions I've been getting on Instagram, here on YouTube, Facebook, wherever. So, I wanted to put this video out and answer all those questions. Probably the main question I've been getting asked is, where are the DURAMAX off-roading videos? And the easiest way to answer that is, I've been gone, I've been in Michigan for the last 3 months. I'm in Florida now. And that was kind of the reason for the lack of off-roading videos. And I do apologize for that. I think I only put one out in the last 3-4 months, which is bad. And I'm gonna get back to them. Another reason why they haven't been, another reason I haven't done any off-roading videos is because I haven't been on that hunting lease that I was on in the previous off-roading videos. And good news is, I'm actually going to be on that lease at the beginning of this week. I'm signing the paperwork. I'm about to be back on that lease. We're going to be jumping the Maverick. We're going to be getting the DURAMAX stuck. We're going to get my buddy's four-wheeler stuck, his Power Stroke stuck, and all that stuff. So the off-roading videos are on its way back. I'd like to have one done this week. We do plan on going out there and playing around in the sand and the mud this week. So be on the lookout for that video. Because they're about to be back. I want to try to post at least 1 or 2 of those off-roading videos every week, whether it be the DURAMAX or the X3 or both. So, hope that answered your questions on the DURAMAX off-roading videos and even the X3 off-roading videos. Those are coming back. I'm sorry I haven't posted that many of them in the last, I don't know, 3-4 months. I do apologize. The second most asked question would have to be, where is the ZR1? Do you still have it? And why isn't it on the channel anymore? That leads me back to the reason why I haven't been able to post other videos, and that's because I was in Michigan for the early to mid-May until basically 3 weeks ago. So I've been gone for roughly 3 months in Michigan, visiting family and that kind of stuff. We have a house up there as well. And so that was the reason for the lack of the ZR1 videos. But they're about to be back also. So put in the comments below what you guys want to see for ZR1 content. I'm going to do my best to put some out. And as you guys see in the last couple videos I posted, I'm kind of adding a little bit more stuff here and there, getting more active here on YouTube. But at the same time, I want to make sure I'm putting out the content you guys like the best, and the content that made you subscribe in the first place. And also, I want to say thank you, 20,000 subscribers. We just hit it earlier today. And next goal is 50,000. Hopefully we can get it. I'm gonna stay on top of it and consistent until we do hit it. And then of course we got 100,000 and we're gonna keep it rolling. I'm not gonna let it go slack anymore. Posting 1 video a week was just, that was hard for me to even do that because I was so busy up in Michigan and the lack of content up there. I was just trying to spend time with family because, you know, family health issues up there and stuff like that. So but I am back to fully posting on YouTube. I like to do 3 to 4 videos a week. I think I posted about 3 or 4 videos straight this week, every day. And I think this will be the only video that with a day in between I'm not posting. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. But yeah, that's the reason I wanted to make this video, just to answer you guys' questions on the DURAMAX and the off-roading stuff. I know that's the most asked question on the channel. They want to see a big DURAMAX, it's a pretty truck. You know, you don't see it very often, a truck like that off-roading and being put in mud and buried in sand and stuff like that. And so I will be back to doing that. As much as I don't really want to ruin the wheels on it, I'll do my best not to ruin them. But I know a lot of you guys subscribe because of those off-roading videos, and I want to say they are back. They are definitely back. There will be one out this week, so hope you guys are excited for that. Also, if you didn't watch my last video, go check it out. We're giving away a full custom exhaust tip. I just got one sent to me for the 20K subscribers. King Built Custom was nice enough to help me design one, and they sent me one for 20K. So what we want to do now, we want to give one away. All you gotta do is go back to that video, comment, follow them on Instagram, and then share that video, and you'll be entered. And I'm gonna announce the winner probably next week, somewhere around that time. And we'll get the measurement on what you want and we'll get it built. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Do you want me to see some mudding this week? Do you want to see some sand? whatever, let me know. I want to put the content you guys want to see. Also, let me know if you guys like the fishing. I do a lot of fishing, and I enjoy filming fishing content the most, I think. Now, I'm not the best at doing it just yet. You know, I need some better mics and stuff like that to cut down the wind noise and all that, but I'm doing my best. I want to try to put as much content out as possible without it being boring. You know, I want to make sure this channel is well-rounded. It's not just one-dimensional. You know, I don't want to just have a channel that just goes over DURAMAX installs or reviews. I want to have fishing. I want to have off-roading with a side-by-side, a big-ass DURAMAX, a Corvette ZR1, boating, stuff like that. I want this channel to have basically everything, you know, as far as outdoors and that kind of stuff goes. So hope this video helped you guys out. Hope it answered a few questions, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are excited to see the off-roading videos coming back to the channel. And I promise they aren't gonna leave once they're back. Once they're back, I'm gonna continue with them because I feel like that's the staple of the channel. I think that's what people like the most. Anytime I post an off-roading video on this channel, it probably gets the most views. So yeah, guys, I appreciate the support. Once again, 20K, that's huge. And so yeah, I hope you like the video. If you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe. We're gonna be doing a lot of off-roading with the DURAMAX. If you like Corvettes, Can-Am, X3s, or side-by-sides, fishing, boating, that kind of stuff, this is definitely your channel. So yeah, we will see you next time. Also, the winner of that light bar, he has not got back to me. I'm gonna go recheck all the comments, but he hasn't got back to me yet, so I'm gonna have to repick the winner. One thing about this channel is you gotta watch the videos. You can miss out on a giveaway. You know, I can't just drag it out because I am gonna give that light bar away. So if he does not contact me by tomorrow or by the next video, I'm gonna repick the winner. And so that's why it pays to watch my videos and turn on post notifications, because you will miss out on a giveaway. And so that is all.